Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited. Today I'm bringing you a unboxing from Asos. This is my first time ordering shoes from Asos, so I really just wanted to share this experience with you guys. So before we do anything else, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share, engage with your girl, okay? All right, so let's get into it. So I ordered 2 pairs of shoes. I have been looking for some clear block heels in 11 wide, and oh my goodness, either they were sold out or unavailable on some websites. So I said, you know what? I stalked Asos website like every day, multiple times a day to find these, and I finally found them, and I was so excited. So excited. All right, I'm struggling now. I'm trying to open it. All right. So let's see what we got in here. All right, this box is super cute. I always save my boxes so it's easier to stack in my closet. So first up, we have these. Okay, let's see what's in here. This is Asos Wide Fit Hideout Block Heeled Minimal Strap Sandals in beige. It's a UK 9, which is a US 11. And it is wide width, supposedly. So let's see, because sis, I got the widest feet. All right, so here we have it. Super cute, super cute. Like, okay, let's see. Let me undo this. I can try it on. And another good thing about Asos, guys, is like, their return policy is everything. When I send stuff back to Asos, I don't worry. My money gonna hit that account, and I'ma spin it, and get it right back, okay? So you will get your money back. That's one thing, like, they process their returns fairly quickly. And they actually do return your money. You don't have, it's not like a store credit. They're gonna get your money back, sis, okay? All right. Guys, super cute. I'm in love with these, okay? Super cute, okay? Let's turn them around to the side, to the back. Like, sis, cute. All right, so next up, we have the clear box heels. The box is a little bit different, okay? And this is, let me get it right, Asos Design Wide Fit Northern Clear Barely There. It's a UK 9, and it is a US 11, okay? All right, so let's look at this one. This one, let me mess up my heels now. My nails now. You gotta be smarter than the box. Ooh, sis. Super cute. Super cute. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. Now, the test. Is it wide enough? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Let's see. I may struggle with these a little bit because all the stuff on the side of it. Okay, so let me try these on. They're beautiful. Let's see if they fit. No, they don't fit. I don't know. They don't fit. I'm gonna need some help like connecting them because damn it. They super cute, but they don't fit. Super cute, but no. I'm gonna have to get some help connecting the side. But at least you can see my foot do fit in the wide or in the main strap at the top. I don't like how it's so steep because I don't know how long I could stand in these, honestly. But they're really cute. All right, so thank you for unboxing with me. Overall, I think I'm gonna give Asos wide fit shoes about a 8 out of 10. And the reason I say that is because even just standing there taking a couple of pictures, they wasn't that comfortable. And in the clear block heels, I couldn't even figure out how to really put them on. But the band was wide and I have a really wide foot. So I'm gonna give them about an 8 out of 10 because they're not really comfortable. All right, so now I need you to stay tuned for this coat haul because sis, I'm gonna have you right this winter, okay? And that's on period.